Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name's Katie and I'm the organic esthetician. Today's video is geared towards professionals that are interested in the Skin Moderne devices, specifically the Nanofusion pen. I'm going to walk you through what comes with your Nanofusion pen when you purchase it, how to charge it, and how to get yourself set up for your first Nanofusion treatment. So this is the box that your Nanofusion device comes in, and I'm going to show you what's in here. So this is what your Nanofusion box looks like. Inside the box is your Nanofusion pen. And the charging cable. When your Nanofusion pen is plugged in and charging, this little light will be red. And when it's finished charging, the light will turn off. The Nanofusion pen holds 4 hours of battery, and each treatment takes about 15 minutes to perform. You can choose to use your pen with the battery or plugged in using the cord while you're performing your treatment. You want to line up this little tab with the grooves on the pen. You're going to slide it in and turn it once and then once more. So 2 times. So it'll be lined up right in these little grooves of the pen. So when you turn on your device, it'll be on the highest setting. This is 5,400 RPMs per second. When you click it again, it goes to medium, 5,000 RPMs per second. And a third time puts it on the lowest setting, which is 4,800 RPMs per second. This is ideal for around the eye area, on the lips, or any areas of sensitivity. I always like starting on level 1 and then working up to level 3 during progressive treatments. You can purchase your Nanofusion pen a la carte for $8.25. Your Nanofusion tips come in packs of 10 and wholesale for $90, so $915 together for 1 pack of 10 tips and 1 Nanofusion pen. Or you can buy the Nanofusion Pro pack, which includes your Nanofusion pen, a pack of 10 tips, a stainless steel Skin Moderne ice roller, and a professional size of the rejuvenation serum, which is a more concentrated version of the retail bioplacenta serum. Rejuvenation serum uses a blend of plant-based growth factors and amino acids. This serum works to promote skin healing, increase skin renewal, minimize thinning that comes with aging skin, reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and increases collagen and elastin formation in the skin. The rejuvenation serum is a fantastic complement to any Nanofusion treatment, as the nano channels that we create with our Nanofusion pen work to enhance the absorption of the rejuvenation serum, pushing it even deeper, allowing it to be more effective. The Nanofusion Professional Package wholesales for $900, so it's a deal compared to purchasing your pen a la carte. I highly recommend getting the package as it has everything you need to start your first Nanofusion.